When I think about His grace, this freedom, something like a woman praise. I'm grateful for the loving that you gave. It's so amazing